Welcome back to Gajin Garage and to see, hit like, hit share, see what you like. Check this out. We got double tonight. Woo! The S2000 got a friend today. That sounded so sick. So by herself, she has like to have her own parking lot. And look, I got a Hot Wheel. Thank you, thank you. Somebody put a Hot Wheel here. I don't know who it is, but thank you. The small car meet here is pretty cool. People come in from everywhere, you know, trying to become friends and everything. Last car meet, I almost lost my car. You can ask Adriana, we were driving, somebody was doing burnouts, almost hit her and me at the same time. So it's just kind of like a cool place to hang out during the week, you know, the Wednesday. Look at this. You guys like this color? Alright, last night we were in the hangout and a lot of people were hitting me up on Instagram. You gotta clean your headlights, you gotta clean your headlights. And what are we doing? We're cleaning the headlights. We're trying to set it up with a tape, and I'm using this this kit from Car Care. I'll tell you how that's gonna come out. Glass inside here. Glass is too hot for you, you gotta go inside. Right, boy? My boy Lasso. Alright guys, so just give me a minute. I'll show you how we do it and then get it done. This is a shot before and after. Then we'll cover it up and then we'll do the after. Stay tuned. Alright guys, for nowadays treatment, I want to show you how it looks. This is before and this is after. Look at that. That looks really good. Compared to that side, that really looks good. So we're gonna do the other side now and let you know how everything comes out. And then I'll explain to you how to do it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, the package comes with a cleaner. You take all the oxidation out of the top of the headlights. And Joanna's doing that right now. Going around, make sure you put tape around it. This thing is very strong. And it's just gonna go around the headlight. And if you look at her hand, can you show it real quick, Adriana? Huh. Look at that. That's just from the oxidation in the headlight. Look like a cigarette. You smoke too much. So what she's doing is basically the oxidation off of it. Making sure that everything is clean. And then of course it's gonna look like that. Now I look at those headlights and I look at my headlights, I'm like, God damn. You know what? I'm gonna do the same thing for that later on. That is a really good deal. Very easy to do. So you can see now getting clear. The only thing that she's doing is just cleaning it up. She hasn't even started 3-step buffing. It's just, look at that. Wow, it looks disgusting. So now she's going to start the 3-step. It's basically step number 1 up to 1000. I'll set it up for her. Comes with this nice kit that you can keep. There we go. She's set up for the first section on it. And guys, again, look how amazing that looks. Wow, that's dirty as hell. Now she's gonna put some water in there, rinse it off, taking that chemical off the headlights. That's what I thought I had one on here. Clean rag, clean around it. Clean your bumpers and all that. You don't want to get them messed up. Now that's so strong that once you're gonna start doing the 1000, you're gonna see particles come off the, like the old glaze or anything that you put on it is gonna come off. Now she's gonna pour it. Wet the pad already. She's gonna wet the headlight. And she's gonna go out in a minute. And there you go, guys. This is what I was telling you about. Look right there. You can see it right here. Look, you can see it right there. Watch it. See? There you go. You can see it right there with all that coming off. That's old wax. It can be old wax, can be old clear coat. Yeah, keep wetting them on. Okay, I got you. Let me get some more water. Alright guys, so now we're doing the 200. Is that still work? Huh?
Is it supposed to be like that? There's like lines.
Yes. So Adriana is doing it. You cannot do rubber like that. You have to be the way she's doing it. Up and down. You gotta go like that. You can go like that, or you can go side by side. The S2000 headlights are kind of difficult because the way that it looks. There we go. It's looking a lot better already, and we haven't done nothing else. This is number 2.
Switch to 3.
Yeah, let me get some more water. Now we're gonna go for the 300. I want to get some water. Okay. Want to put water on it? There we go. Yeah, it does.
Alright. It's good.
Now she's gonna let it wet it. Now she's gonna let it sit. It's gonna dry out, and then now she's gonna put after that the final coat. She's gonna dry the whole headlight, all that, and then oh guys, it's amazing how you can see that. You go from that thing over the ugly to that is crazy. It's amazing. See how it right now? Watch she was done. We got the final parts, folks. Final part. look at that. She can see again. This is the tricky part, guys, doing all these little corners right here. See how big that she's trying to get it to there. Guys, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh my God, it looks so much better. As simple to do that to your car. Your car goes from being depressed. I was about to spend $500 in each headlights, and you know, we bought that little kit, and this came out pretty dang good. Now, if you need anybody need headlight restoration in Cape Coral, call Adriana here, and she can do it for you. We are going to do it later on, not today, but later on we're going to do it on that Civic right there, and see the difference. Holy shit! You can try, but we now know more of those. All right, guys, so Adriana had a great idea to do the back window with it. So with that dry, I'm gonna take these off. You know what this makes me? Drive my car more often. And you know about Winterfest? I would love to go to Winterfest. There you go, guys. My front end looks like. Woo! Now I'm gonna try the back. Waiting for it to dry out. Waiting for it to dry out so we can do it. All right. No way! Dry it out on me. Oh man. It did dry out on me. Fuck. So the car looks amazing. Oh my God, it looks really amazing. And remember, right here. Look, I can see in the back now. It's not that ugly, at least for now. It looks really good. It looks awesome. Took it for a nice drive today. I'm neglecting this one. This one's gonna get touched up, but the s2000 looking amazing. My two babies, my third one right here. Guys, thank you for watching, for subscribing to my channel. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of more contents on that car. This car right here, taking a little vacation for now, and that one right there. So I gotta get that one running so I can bring my baby inside the garage. Alright guys, subscribe. See you guys later. Adriana out.